90% of businesses are killed before they even begin. Why? A reel is watched, manufacturing business ideas are sparked, and immediately the machine manufacturer is called for the price. Totally wrong. Consequently, machines are sold to your budget by some sellers, not to your dream. Now, a secret followed by every successful entrepreneur is revealed. The first step is never the machine, it is the market survey. For example, when tissue paper making business ideas are chosen by you, samples must be collected from restaurants. Similarly, for paper bag making business ideas, bags must be gathered from local shops. Before any machine is concluded, your collected samples should be shown and a solution for that product must be demanded. That is how confidence is built. Here's the truth about money. When collected samples exceed your investment budget, low-budget alternative products should never be convinced into your mind.
Stick wins.
Because the confidence already built by your market survey is worth more than any saved rupee. Budgets can be negotiated easily in the mind. However, built confidence cannot be negotiated in any circumstance. Listen carefully. Whether dreams are held by wholesale owners, retail shop owners, women entrepreneurs or business idea seekers, handful samples must be carried first. Shy to collect samples? Then business should be forgotten. Keep doing what you're doing now. Truly, winning manufacturing business ideas are built on confidence, not machines. The best business ideas in India are started with a survey and finished with success. Whether tissue paper making business ideas or paper bag making business ideas are planned by you, expert guidance is provided by FTC. Comment business now.